Gemini 3 is out right now, and I want to give it a simple test to see how it will work with my 2D game, which is Gorilla Rampage. I'll release it next week, but let's see how it will do, all right? Let's see how it will perform and initialize. All right, let's jump into it. All right, Elizabeth, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
All right, so what we want to do, we have this beautiful game of ours called Gorilla Rampage. It is Gorilla versus 100 men, so it's coming soon. Gorilla versus 100.com. Already have the domain, so it's coming soon, but I already have it over here. Hopefully next week. So we want to see if Gemini can initialize it. I also use Gemini to create it. So are you ready?
Yeah.
So let's just make it simple so that people can see the power of Gemini 3. Okay, so I'm going to give it this prompt. Okay, so you are an expert web developer. I'm uploading an HTML file for a 2D browser game. I want you to preserve everything. So I have this, this is what? 14. So I have it somewhere. In my projects, let's do it quick. Rama work, AI products, Gorilla game.
Your voice is kind of low.
I think because the mic now you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
I think the microphone was far away from me. Okay, let me keep my microphone closer to me. Oh, so it is this one. Let me use this one, 14.9. Okay, now is the time for it to start. We're using Gemini 3. Gemini 3. Let's work on it and see if it will do the same thing.
Okay.
So, starting, it's analyzing, hopefully. Editing. Okay, you can see it's doing the work. It's doing the work. So I hope it won't create a disaster, but everything is looking well, huh? Everything is looking well, as you can see over here. I'm on 2 screens. Try again without canvas, it's giving me, but anyway, it's working. Let's see its capabilities. Okay. It's doing, so it's just taking my code and doing everything. So yeah, the code is pretty long, so I understand if it takes a lot of time. I don't know if we can check over here, like if I, where is it? Where is my game? My 14 test, but you can see it's still loading, still thinking. The game is pretty long, but we can check it out. Where's my test? Test 2. So this is the game 14. So can I open it maybe with Visual Studio? Where is my Visual Studio over here? Can't see my Visual Studio. But we can see it's still loading, so it's still working.
Yeah.
I cannot open it with Visual Studio. I don't have Visual Studio on this mic. Mark, but my voice, you can hear me clearly right now, right?
Yeah.
Let's open it with text edit then. Oh, it's weird on text edit. I don't know, but it's a lot. Let's say it's a lot. But over here, I can always right click and view page source. You can see it's a lot. It's how many? It's a lot. The line of code is how many? It's 2,000 lines of code to run in this beautiful game. So it's still working over here. Maybe if you want to play, let's play it over here. So you can just start. So it's a gorilla versus 100 men. The men are represented by balls. It has music, shield to protect, shield again. When it's attacked, it dies. Something like that. Something simple.
Yeah.
The skills. Yeah. All right. There are other things that's coming. Okay. Oh, rejuvenated.
Mhm.
Simple. Okay. Hey. Don't kill me. Don't die, man. And then I can pause. Let me pause. Where are the pause screens? Let me go. Now I'm here. How to play, and it has 3 levels. Okay. So it's still thinking. So it's a lot. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. While giving it time, we can play the one that's working.
How far is it right now?
Let me go. Let me see. It's copying my code. It's just this a simple copy and code, and then maybe we can tell it to do a new feature. All right. It's almost there.
Yeah.
It's almost there. Or maybe it's done now. It's just, it's still writing.
Completely.
Okay, it's done.
Oh,
It is
fine.
done. Okay,
That was
let's see.
fast.
That was fast. That was fast. Okay, our viewers, as you can see, it's done. It's done. All right, Elizabeth, now let's see if the sound works. Now it's loading the sound. Now the sound is working perfectly. Sound is perfectly. Let's start with this one. So I'm playing it over here. Let's see if this one is working. Let's play it. Let's play the game.
Although I can't hear the sound from my end.
You cannot hear the sound on your end. Oh, that's
Yeah.
sad. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll release the game next week so that everyone can modify it how they want.
Mm.
But you can see spearhead attack. I'm getting attacked, Elizabeth.
Watch out.
Uh, So this is the basic level. Timing, that one, get that. Rejuvenation, killing others. So basic, okay, now it did a great job. Let's go to home. Let's try the hardest level. I don't know if we can survive. The gorilla is now in the wherever. How do we call this? How do we call, yeah. Oh, hey, stop it, man. And I'm dead, man. And I'm dead. Yeah, that's
The
the
speed is
toughest
too
part.
high.
To me. Okay, so that's a simple game. So do you think we can tell it to improve the game in how it adds some new features in the game?
Yeah. Let's
Let's
try
see if
it.
Gemini is that if that's strong. Let's see.
Yeah.
Add some new features in the game, my friend. In the game. Uh, please do not alter the original features and the code. After adding the features, okay, please let me know in the reply chat what you have added. Please add the new features in the what? In the canvas you already have. Again, amazing song of the game with all the code. I'm going to click that. All right, I know my voice had gone up, but now I'm back. Now it's adding, hopefully.
Yeah.
Examining feature expansion, implementing strategy. Hey, we're living in the end times or the beginning times. Hey, how
These
can
are
we
the steps.
update? Okay, now it's thinking. Gemini 3, we're waiting to see. But would you think it will add good features?
I have high hopes. I think it will maybe change the whole look, maybe. Let's
Yeah.
see.
Now it has already replied on the features that it's going to add. It's saying I have added 3 exciting new features to your game. New features: Rage mode, Shockwave ability. How it works: defeating enemies blows up rage. You'll see a rage bar at the bottom of your screen. The ability: when the bar is full, a shockwave button appears. Pressing it. Armored tank and enemies. Occasionally, you will see silver gray enemies. Okay, that's interesting. These are
Mm.
tougher than normal men. They require 2 taps to defeat. I hope it will implement this. I hope it not be like governments which don't implement, giving false promises.
Yeah,
Yeah, so it's lying to me. You can now play the updated game, but it's still uploading, as you can see over here. Maybe if
yeah,
we check the code, you can see over here. Oh, this is machine working combo. Okay, so it is just unfloating cortex, visual polish. Now, when you tap an enemy or get a power up, you can, the points and will float up. Okay, it's still doing. I don't
more like
know.
the summer.
I don't know if it will do a good job, but the initial one is okay. We'll always build on that because you
Yeah,
also need to give the right prompts. This one I just gave it out of the blue because when I was making the game, I had my prompts. I will give this to our viewers next week when the game is uploaded on
yeah,
gorilla versus 100.com. So you can see
mm,
over here, these prompts are very specific. When you initialize the game, when you implement a new feature, when you
mm,
implement suggestions and stuff. So these are the prompts. Let us talk about something missing in the game. Please do not up. So these are the specific prompts we will give to our viewers, our
yeah,
lovely viewers, when our game is uploaded fully for everyone. Changes done. Yeah, I had done it with Gemini already, so it's still thinking. It's working. It's taking some time to implement.
yeah.
But hope. Let's hope. Let us hope it will do some good job. I don't have hopes. Elizabeth has hopes
I have
because
very high.
you have very high hopes. I think, from my point of view, I don't know. From my point of view, I think there is no hope because I did not use the right prompts, the professional prompts I had created. But you never know. You
I
never know.
personally have high hopes because I think it's a new model, so I think maybe the cognitive ability is much more. So maybe it will be able to surprise us with uh, with something extra,
Yeah.
like the way point 5, 5.1
Yeah.
did. It added
Or
a whole.
like, yeah, our viewers, you can check our last video of GPT 5.1. We used it to make our website from a design. You can
Yeah.
always check that, so please check that. Yeah, the features is still uploading. It's okay. I understand.
Mm,
It's a lot of features. So it used to be how many code? 2000. It's still writing the code, as you can see on the screen, but we'll wait. Uh,
yeah.
let's see. Let's play medium over here and see. This is the current game already in its form. It's also mobile responsive, so this one gives it life. It's eating something.
Yeah.
Uh, Elizabeth says she cannot hear anything. You cannot hear
Yeah.
even sounds in the background.
No,
No sounds at all. What about now?
nothing.
Oh, that's very interesting. Okay, that's a very interesting, but there is sound. There is sound. There is sound. Oh God. I'm dying already on the medium. Anyway, I was not attentive.
Mhm.
Let it die. Die. Go to
Yeah.
main menu. Okay, it's done. Elizabeth, we are done. It says it's done. So let me click preview. You said you had
Yes.
high ops. Let's see if it tempered with the game.
Okay.
Okay, I clicked on that now. Okay. Let's see if the sound is still working. Everything is still working. Okay. Now let's see if the new features. Armored tanks, it said rage bait. Defeating enemies now builds up rage. You'll see a rage bar at the bottom. Okay, so let me click on start. Let me click on start. Oh, there's a rage bar at the bottom. Oh, rage bar. Oh, amazing. So we have a rage bar at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing. Amazing. Pop. Who is that? Hey, hey. I think that's the new enemy that was introduced, right? The one
Yeah,
that
the
you
tough
had to
ones.
double tap.
Yeah.
Let me give it a shield. Let me give it a shield. Oh, I love this. Oh, the rage bar. I love the rage bar. Incoming line. That's a new enemy coming. Come. Die, 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 die.
Even the
Shockwave.
shockwaves. Yeah.
Shockwave. Oh, shockwave. Okay. Where are the armored trucks, man? I want to see the armored trucks. Where are the armored trucks? Spearhead. Die, Spearhead. I think I already killed them. Oh my god. It's here. Let's go. Where's the armored trucks? Walk. 1, 2. It's died. Okay. You can see now that guy is really angry, man.
Yeah.
Really angry. I'm sorry if you cannot hear the sound, but there is sound. And the
Yeah.
sound is very beautiful. Oh,
Wow.
look at that guy. Shockwave. Haha, he did it. See how that shockwave did? Haha. Oh, now it's over 50. The guy's strong, man. All right. Ha. Oh, why? Oh my God, I killed him, man. Oh man, I love it. I don't know if we can go to 100, so let me just pause. All right, so Elizabeth, you are right.
Yeah.
Gemini 3.3 really proved us. Elizabeth was right, and that was
Yes.
amazing. Get ready for the game. It's coming out on gorilla versus100.com. I'm still making it and uploading it. I'll upload it to the domain next week. And Gemini 3.1 is here, and I love how amazing it is. Yeah, any last words, Elizabeth?
Yeah. I'm also excited for this new model, and I'm looking forward to like how best it can advance this game. I think we can always improve the game.
Gorilla versus 100. So tomorrow,
Yeah.
our viewers, tomorrow we are, what are we doing? Me and Elizabeth, we are going to test Gemini 3, and we are going to test it on what? On our prompt template. On our prompt template to see how it can do make a website, change a design picture into a website. So if you're a designer, you have a good design, we have a prompt template at ramaken.gumroad.com. Don't forget about that. So
Yeah.
that it's all. Thank you for watching. That was a short one. And yeah, get ready for more and amazing stuff. Yeah, that was exciting, right?
Yes.
Okay, say bye to our viewers.
Bye. Catch you in the
Bye.
next video.
All right, amazing. All right, so let me stop.